can play WhatsApp voice chats on your iPhone. This could be due to audio settings, network issues, or app bugs. But don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of not being able to play WhatsApp voice chats on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your iPhone's volume is turned up and not muted. Make sure your microphone and speaker are clean and free from obstructions. Your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. After trying these basic settings, now try the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store. Tap the search icon. Type Check My Device on the search bar. Tap the Install icon. Then tap Open. After that, tap Allow/Don't Allow. Scroll down. Now tap Sound Test. Tap on the screen. Now tap on the play icon. Try to slide left or right the sound volume whether it's working perfectly or not. If it is working perfectly, then there is no problem with your hardware. If it is not working perfectly, that means there is a hardware issue. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you don't find the WhatsApp here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 4. Check iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Then tap General. Next tap iPhone storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally tap Delete app again. Now go to the WhatsApp and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 5. Update your WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see update option available there, then update the app. Hope it works. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.